In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best auto AC repair near me. So let's get started. Number 5. Orion MotorTech AC Gauge Set. DuPont may be one of the most recognizable names on this list, and its products frequently receive rave reviews. This incredibly affordable option comes with 3 12-ounce cans of Freon. The Freon 134 solution is also notable for meeting both the AHRI 700 and SAEJ 2776 purity standards. DuPont's AC Recharge Bundle is often hailed as the best Freon for car AC systems by mechanics. This is not just because of its low price point, but also because it still manages to achieve great results. This solution is a pure refrigerant, meaning it doesn't use any additives. Some chemicals that are used with Freon recharge kits can actually make your AC warmer. Number 4. Kozyvacu Auto AC Repair Kit. The Kozyvacu kit includes everything you need to test, repair, and recharge your AC system. There's a pressure gauge set, 3 4-foot hoses, a quick coupler, and a can tap. You'll even get a carry bag for simple transportation and storage. Overall, the kit is very easy to use. All you need to do is to follow the instructions. The package includes a high-quality vacuum pump designed for keeping your AC system in the best condition. It features a sturdy aluminum housing that can withstand some abuse and last for a while. The pump is simply designed, so no particular maintenance is necessary. Number 3. Robinair RG3 Refrigerant Recovery Machine. Those who are looking for a professional-grade machine will be thrilled with this one from Robinair. It's an efficient device that allows for quick and successful refrigerant recovery. You can use it on all kinds of systems, for both home and commercial purposes. The machine is compact and lightweight, so you can take it with you if necessary. Buyers also love how versatile it is. It works with all standard CFC, HFC, and HFC refrigerants, which means you can use it for all kinds of AC systems around the house. What makes the machine even more special is its impressive construction. Meant to withstand daily and heavy use, the machine has a cross-flow design for more efficiency. Number 2. Kozyvacu Mini AC Repair Tool Kit. This is another high-quality kit from Kozyvacu. It's a complete refrigerant changing kit that allows you to get the job done in a breeze. Thanks to its compatibility with all kinds of systems, including our 410A and our 502, you can use it for most applications around the house. The kit comes with an air vacuum pump, a manifold gauge kit, a bottle of oil, and the necessary hoses. The pump is of excellent quality and proves to be very efficient. The cast aluminum housing is lightweight and highly portable, yet still very durable. The manifold gauge kit is also quite convenient for measuring the pressure, and it's very easy to use. Number 1. Mofeez Pro AC Diagnostic Manifold. The Mofeez Pro AC Diagnostic Manifold Freon Gauge Set is a budget-friendly AC diagnostic manifold gauge that includes all the professional-level equipment you need to assess and recharge your AC. Suitable for our 134A, our 12, and our 22, the set includes 3 colored 36-inch long service hoses with 0.25-inch flare fittings, 1 0.25-inch male gauge, 1 ACME adapter that's 0.25-inch male to 0.5-inch female, and AR134A valve spanner. The set is made of base, plastic, aluminum, and PVC and functions with 3000 psi burst pressure and 600 psi maximum working pressure.